Hey all, Dr. Campbell here. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to go over the Canvas course site and then review the syllabus. So this is our home page here. This course introduction is going to be uploaded to YouTube and will be accessible here if you need to come back and review it. Basically, this is hopefully just some pictures that will make you smile, talking about this short summer semester. It's hopefully you guys will learn a great deal about the U.S. in position to other countries, as is the course Gov't 202, the U.S. and World Affairs. So we're gonna, without further ado, we're gonna jump right to the syllabus here. So we have the class, which starts tomorrow, the 30th, June 30th, Tuesday, going through August 10th. The email, I usually check email every 24 hours, sometimes more than that, but you'll definitely get a response within 24 hours. I provided a PDF of the syllabus, and it can be downloaded here, and I'm sure that most of you know what this looks like, but essentially this is just one of those things that's just really easy to print off and to have with you and to review. Although this course, you guys, you know, it's a lower level course. It's not a hard class at all. The hardest part is probably the essay, but we do need to have an essay, and I do kind of help you along, excuse me, as we go through the course. And I think it's our current climate is it's ripe for a couple of discussions, and I'll give you guys more on that here in a second. But you can then go to here, download the syllabus for this class this summer. I sent out the required text. I should mention that you guys can read through the description and the learning outcomes, and then how will you be graded. So this essay, all parts of it, worth 30% of your grade. Then you have these quizzes, video exercises, global perspective exercises, and you'll be prompted by Canvas to do these. Very easy, low stakes, low pressure. So then you can read through more of the assignments here. And then again, I have this, you will have a 2 to 3 page essay. More instructions will follow probably next week, but essentially you will pick a topic that you want to discuss based on you know, what you're interested in. So again, more on that later. The topic selection and position due. What side are you taking? What would you like to argue for or against? And again, I will give another video, produce another video and send that out to you next week. And then you'll need some sources for the essay. And then finally, you'll have your actual final product due. And I'm happy to take a look at any draft that you produced. Again, as this class is set up to make sure that you guys are successful. If you want an A in this class, you will get it, but you will need to earn it. So I just want to point out one thing here. So our classes run, so you see this one's Tuesday through Sunday, then we have Monday through Sunday, and we go down here, Monday through Sunday, but then the very next day, Monday, you have your essay due. So I would be working on this. Again, all of these assignments that you have, low stakes, just put some time in, maybe a few hours each week, not a lot. The effort will come into when you're doing the essay. So this is important things to consider. This is more applicable when we have discussion board posts. We will not have them in this class, so you'll just be turning things into me. But, you know, just a good thing to be cognizant of in general. I'm hopeful that other professors where you do have discussion board posts have something similar to this. And then again, the information that is on every syllabus that you'll have, and that's about counseling services, advising, disability service, etc. Then lastly, I just want to say, if you go down here to the end, this is where Canvas has a nice tool. So what's expected of me and when, all the due dates. So here's what's expected the end of this week, end of next week, and so forth. Okay, let's see. I think I had mentioned this. What else do we need to cover here? Oh yes, the modules. So just so you know, you guys, there is this outline and flashcards that are provided, and this might help give you a good idea. You can do better on the quizzes if you look over this stuff. Basically, this is from the text. And rather from the publishers of the test. So what are the main points of chapter 1? And then you'll have the flashcards. Let me go to this one. Let's see if it'll open up in a new window. If not, we're not going to spend much time on this. But yeah, just I'd run through these before you take. I think you need Flash to actually get the full everything that you need there. But I would go through the flashcards, you know, before you take the test, that kind of stuff. We got a little distracted here. There we go, back to here. Okay, so chapter 1. So in all of these chapters, you'll have outline flashcards. Also looking for topics for your paper, or your essay rather, and that will be here as well. Okay, so I think I pretty much covered everything. Again, this is just a nice PDF that you can print off so you have all this information in one place. Excuse me for going rather quickly. I'm just trying to make sure that I covered everything, and I have. So please let me know if you have any questions. Very accessible via email, and then I will give you guys more information about your essay next week. Okay, bye-bye.